Imagine you have dozens of photos from your iPhone, or raw files from your professional camera, or images in modern formats like AVIF, JPEG XL. You try to open them on your Windows system, but nothing works. Your image viewer can't read them, your editor won't accept them. You need to convert them. But most free converters don't support these special formats. Or there are online tools that upload your private photos to who knows where.
Who knows where? Who knows where is?
You need something offline,
which handles these specific formats too.
After many years of working with photos and videos, in recent years, for the first time, I came across a series of image files that had strange and new extensions which would not open on my Windows system, such as HEIC.
Shows up as an HEIC file.
Those things not support HEIC file format.
Take HEIC photos.
HEIC file format.
AVIF.
AVIF format.
They're AVIF files? I don't know.
AVIF images.
WebP.
The WebP encoder in Rust.
And WebP file.
WebP is such a...
Supports WebP.
WebP file, and it'll convert it to a...
So finally, last year I decided to design a tool for myself that can convert these special formats, as well as some other uncommon image formats, into common and familiar Windows formats, without the need of any internet connection, and with the highest possible quality.
Welcome to Avarwand's channel for introducing free tools. Today, I'm introducing another tool in the Avarwand collection, the Avarwand Picture Converter, or simply APC. This picture converter is a powerful, lightweight, and completely offline tool designed for converting special image formats.
In Microsoft Windows.
It has a clean, modern interface with dark mode.
Because who wants to stare at a bright white screen all day?
With APC, you can convert images in various formats into common, widely used, and simple formats. For input, APC handles iPhone HEIC and HEIF files, Sony ARW RAW files, Adobe DNG RAW files, Canon CR2 RAW files, Olympus ORF RAW files, modern AVIF format, JPEG XL format, high dynamic range EXR files, and astronomical FITS images. So you can convert hundreds of images in any of the mentioned formats to JPEG, PNG, TIFF, WebP, or BMP all at once. Let me show you how simple this is. As you can see in this test folder, I have a different folder for every image format, and there are at least 2 images in each folder. First, select the format of the source image that you are going to convert. This is set to HEIC by default. For example, I would choose WebP. Then you have to define the format of the output file that, as you can see, you have 5 options. I would choose JPEG. Let's choose a photo. You click on Browse to select the image you want to convert. I can import 1 or more images. As you can see, the number of selected files is included in this section. You can optionally click Browse Output to change the output path, or just leave it as default, and the converted versions will be saved on the desktop. Now, simply click the Start Conversion button, and there we go. Conversion complete. As you see, it excels at batch conversion. Here's our converted files to JPEG, ready to use anywhere. After a few conversions, you'll likely notice that the output file size may increase or decrease, something that can sometimes be surprising or even problematic. That's why it's better to become more familiar with the file size differences among these available formats. As an example, we have saved a same photo in 15 different image formats. This baseline is a JPEG photo sized at 10 megabytes. At the very top, we have AVIF at just 3 megabytes. That's our smallest format, 70% smaller than JPEG. Right below that are the other modern formats like JXL, HEIC, and WebP, all significantly smaller than JPEG. In the middle, we see PNG at 25 megabytes. It's larger because it's lossless, preserving perfect quality. Moving down, we have the RAW formats, DNG, ARW, CR2, and ORF. These range from 35 to 40 megabytes. These are what professional photographers use because they contain all the raw sensor data. And at the very bottom, we have our largest format, EXR, at 150 megabytes. That's 15 times bigger than our JPEG baseline and 50 times bigger than AVIF. So the key takeaway here, modern formats like AVIF and HEIC can give you the same quality in much smaller file sizes, while specialized formats like EXR and RAW are huge but serve specific professional purposes. In the next update, a feature will likely be added that allows users to precisely set the file size and/or quality level of each output image. The download link is in the description below. The file is password protected for security. The password is... Write that down. You'll need it to extract the file. Don't forget to install one of the two programs, 7-Zip or WinRAR, so you can first extract the downloaded file. Once downloaded, simply extract it and run the executable. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think or what features you'd like to see in future updates. In case of any suggestions, criticisms, problems, or malfunctions related to this program, please share it fully in the comments. They will definitely be taken into consideration in future updates. Otherwise, I wish you good health and hope that this tool can positively contribute to improving your work efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll introduce another free tool from the Avarwand collection.